In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an email to send later in SparkMail on iPhone. Scheduling your messages is a great way to make sure your email arrives at the perfect moment, whether that's during someone's workday or first thing in the morning. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you feel confident using this feature. First, open the SparkMail app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you have a stable internet connection, since scheduling and sending both rely on being online. Next, tap the Compose button. You'll find it at the bottom right of the screen, and it looks like a small pencil icon. This opens a new message window where you can start writing. Go ahead and write your email. Add the recipient in the To field, and include a clear, concise subject so your message stands out. If you're adding attachments or links, it's a good idea to insert them now and give the body one quick proofread for tone, spelling, and any missing details. Double check the recipient's address as well. Scheduling only helps if it's going to the right person. When your message looks good, look just above the keyboard for the Send Later option. The icon is a paper airplane with a small clock on it. Tap that to open the scheduling screen. Here, choose the exact date and time you want the email to be sent. Think about your recipient's time zone and their likely availability. If you're coordinating across regions, picking a time that lands in their business hours can improve your chances of a quick response. Take a moment to confirm the day, month, and hour so everything lines up with your intent. Once you've set the time, tap the Send button to lock it in. This icon is a paper airplane located at the right corner. Spark will queue your message and send it automatically at the time you selected. You may see a brief confirmation indicating it's scheduled. After that, you're all set. No need to keep the Composer open. A quick recap. Open Spark, tap Compose, write your email with the recipient and subject, choose Send Later above the keyboard, pick your date and time, and then tap Send to schedule it. This simple workflow helps you communicate thoughtfully, avoid late-night pings, and reach people when they're most likely to reply. Thanks for watching and enjoy the control and peace of mind that scheduled sending gives you.